Did anybody see the pattern in one? I think it's this is the pattern Mr. Westfall was talking about yesterday. Anybody see it? How did we get 2? You add, to get to the next number, you add the 2 previous numbers. Does that make sense? Okay. So 1 plus 1 is 2. What's 2 plus 1? 3. 5. 3 plus 2 is 5. 5 plus 3 is 8. So what's my next number in the sequence? Yeah, Bailey. Yeah, 5 plus 8 is 13. Whoops. 5 plus 8 is 13. Come on. 13. What's the next number? Yeah, Logan. 21. And then what's my last number? Is that? Yeah, 13 plus 21 would be 34. Now, guys, this is a combination. This is not what we're going to see. It's just make sure you can see the rule. What am I going to do to each number? Multiply by what? -2 and add 5. Again, this is a combination. We will not see that. We'll either see what? If it's just multiplied by -2a, okay, what would this be? It would be geometric. If it was just without this here, just a sub n minus 1 plus 5 would be what? Recursive what? Arithmetic. All right. So we're going to go 3. What's it want? The next first 5, so we need 4 more. Okay, what are we going to do? 3 times -2, which is what? -6 plus 5. -1. Okay? You guys finish it if you haven't. What's the next one, Luca? 7. What's the next one? Samar? What's that? Okay, 7 times -2 plus 5. I like that. Mary, what's the last number? Yes. Again, kind of weird, kind of a combination of what we're doing just to see. Okay. Let's see. Brandon, I'm going to pass these out real quick. You guys want to know why he's doing that? I'm going to pass these out. I'm sure we just Guys, you're also getting the quiz review. We're going to go over that together as much as we can. Don't look at that. Just check your homework right now. Shouldn't take long to check the homework.
I don't give them cheap 16 either.
Okay.
Because I didn't have the assignment right now. Do that yesterday.
Yeah. Okay, guys, we're just doing even here, right? So checking even. Check them over real quick.
England doesn't have a kidney bank, but it does have a liver pool. I like it.
Oh, is that why it's a joke? Thanks for explaining that. That's pretty good.
It's terrible.
See, McConna, Liverpool is a town in England. That's why that was kind of funny.
But I didn't know a joke.
Okay, go again.
I feel like there's definitely a kidney.
It doesn't have a kidney bank. Go ahead.
England doesn't have a kidney bank, but it does have a liver pool.
I don't even think it was done.
Didn't get what?
Who passed them out?
The review.
Okay.
Next one over there for you.
Who passed it out?
2 people passed them out.
Probably great.
Actually, I did the blue ones.
Dorian?
And get my work done.
Fired.
No, they're trying to get fired.
You're working during the summer.
All right. Okay, 1 through 4. So we're going 2 and 4 here. Is this geometric, recursive, or arithmetic? What do you guys think? Okay, the only reason, guys, don't make this hard. Don't miss this tomorrow. Right here. Since I'm minusing 4, it's arithmetic. Recursive, right? What about 4? Yeah, and the only reason that it's geometric is what? I'm multiplying by -6 right there. That's it. Those are easy. Easy peasy. Okay, don't miss these either. I think these are easy. It says write the first 6 terms. Okay, guys, the first term's done for us. So all you have to do is the next 5. And we're doing what? Minus and 5 starting with 10. Right? Is everybody good on that one? On 8, this is what? Geometric. Starting with 8, and you're multiplying each by 1.5. So are the numbers getting bigger or smaller?
Bigger. Anything over 1.
Even though it's a decimal, Zach, it's 1.5, right? So we're getting bigger. Okay. Is everybody okay with that one? Now, 10 is what? Start with -7, it's what? But what is it?
Geometric.
Thank you. It's geometric because I'm multiplying by -4. Okay? -4. Okay? Are you guys good through 10? Nah. Okay, now we have to write the rule. Okay? So what is this one? Is it geometric, recursive, or arithmetic? Matt?
Geometric.
What are you multiplying 7 to get to 16?
Oh, no, it's not 12. My bad.
No, it's my bad. That's my fault. I was looking 11. 12. Yeah, it is geometric. What are you doing?
Times by 3.
Okay, so our R is 3, right?
Yep.
Okay, is everybody okay there? Right in the first term is 8. The R is 3. What would be my, what are we doing? Oh, we're just writing a rule, right? n-1 as my exponent. Is everybody okay on that one? Okay. What's 14? Aaliyah, is it geometric or arithmetic?
Arithmetic.
Why?
Because it's subtracting by 3.
Okay, so what's my D? Common difference. -3. Is everybody okay writing the rule there? And then what about 16? It's what? Geometric, recursive. What's my R? Yeah, Braden. -4. Look at the rules. Everybody okay writing the rule? You sure? All right.
Because I walked around, some of you guys were saying you didn't do 14 and 16 because it was graphing. What did you mean by that?
It said graph
Yeah.
in the
Oh, that
book.
one said to graph.
It both, yeah, those ones did.
All of them.
And yeah, guys, listen. If it says something like that we did not do with you, you don't have to graph them.
Oh, so it said write the rule and then graph it?
Yes.
I just read the write the rule part.
Yes.
Gotcha.
Yeah, you didn't have to graph them. Okay. Yeah.
I just want to clarify for 12, the numbers on top, is that like The first term,
Second term, third term, fourth term. Yes, ma'am. Yep. Yep. Okay. Guys, does everybody have a whoa. Okay. Guys, you will have to know this. You have to memorize this. You need to write the arithmetic sequence formula and the geometric sequence formula. Go. Hey, pass the blue sheets over to Matt, please. What the?
Not him. Thank you.
Did you write them? Do 1 and 2 by yourself. Is everybody okay with those? Yes? Guys, remember, when we're doing number 1, involving that, you got to find the whatever term. Okay, first you got to get the equation, right? This one you don't. You can just plug in the first term and figure out the whatever n term we're doing and subtract that by 1. There's your exponent and find your common ratio and go. All right. Okay, now, write the first 5 terms of the arithmetic or geometric sequences. Live. What the? How do I know if it's arithmetic or geometric? Yes, but look what they gave us for 3. They gave us the first term, then they gave us the what? Common difference. So what would this be? Do you guys see that? This would be arithmetic. Okay? Arithmetic. Because it's the common difference. Okay, now. So this is arithmetic. You might want to write that there. It's arithmetic. Because it has a common difference. For the love of humanity, they always give us the first term. What did it say? The first 5? So that means I need to write 4 of them. The first one's done for us. Common difference of A. So what am I going to do to get the second term? Corbin? What am I? Hey, it's arithmetic, brother.
Yeah.
What's 9 plus 8?
17.
Keep going. Next one.
25.
Yes, sir.
33.
Yes.
41.
That's it. Done. Alexis. Number 4. They give us the first term in the what? So what does that mean? It's geometric. Because of this. Common ratio means we're multiplying, right? Okay, so -4 is my first term. That means I need the next 4. the next four, Mr. Westfall.
-20.
Whoa.
What, you called on me?
Go ahead.
-100. -500. -2,500.
It's too easy.
Don't say easier on Logan gets upset. Logan, let it go. Let it go. Hey, let it go, Logan.
The next one.
-10,500. 10,500.
No.
What is it?
Wouldn't it be
Yeah.
yeah,
Oh, 5.
12,500?
Yeah.
12,500. 12,500.
All right. Now, these next ones are going to be arithmetic as far as what we're going to deal with. Then we'll deal with some geometric issues. Okay, first of all, is this arithmetic? Okay, if it is, that means there's a common difference, right? What is my common difference?
-6.
Is it 6 or -6?
-6.
Yeah, we're going down. Now, guys, if you forget how to do this, look up here. Remember, you can do this. 4 minus 10 is -6. 10, work this way. 10 minus 16 is -6. 16 minus 22, -6, if you forget. Okay, now, what's it say? Next three terms. So 4. What's my next term here, Jonathan? My common difference, I'm going down by 6. So 4 minus 6. Oh, I'm sorry. Did you say -2?
Yeah.
I heard 2. You said it. I was thinking you said 2. You said you were right. What's my next term?
-8.
Yes, sir. I had a brain fart on you. Sorry. Okay. Is this arithmetic? Why not, Bailey? Guys, this is geometric, isn't it? I'm multiplying by what? -3? So make sure you write no. Not I can't even spell. Answer the question. Don't leave it blank. You leaving?
Yeah.
Oh. You coming back?
Yeah. I hope.
Welcome back.
Which class?
Okay, now, guys, I would say 7 and 8. We really got to focus. Okay? Have a what?
Oh, wait, no, I don't have.
He didn't know if he had a phone.
I said, do you have your phone? He said, I think. Oh, no, I don't have a phone.
Then he has it. He doesn't have one, he's got it.
It's easy.
Okay, guys, focus on these next two. Okay? It tells you they're arithmetic. So we need to find the what? What do we need to find? We need to find the common difference. That's our first task. Yes, and I said task. You got it? Oh, maybe?
Oh, wait.
No, you said you had it.
I didn't know you could.
Wait,
What is it?
I don't have one.
8,
What? You have your phone?
10, 11, 12,
I got it.
13,
No.
You got the common difference? I got it.
I got it. Oh, wait,
The common difference left with his phone.
Wait, I got it. Plus 7.
Yeah. No.
Guys, if it's plus, just say 7. You're correct.
I'm
Sir.
gonna
Now, guys, this is what's important with arithmetic sequences. we need to write and figure out the equation we're going to use. Okay? So, a sub n equals what? What am I going to write? Yes, my first term. Okay? Plus what? Plus n minus 1 times what? You can put it in parentheses or not. Since it's positive, you don't really have to. Okay, we have to figure out the equation. Distribute the 7. So what's my equation going to be? Ethan? Hi, Matt. What? Be careful. Got 7 in there. Minus. And negative 15 minus 7. There's my equation. Okay? These are going to take the most work tomorrow. All right? Now we got to plug what in for n? 25. So we're going to find the 25th term. Okay? Using that formula 7 times. Huh? Okay? Plug that in your calculators. The 25th term is, who's got it? Matt?
Oh, 153.
Close. I got 153. Okay, guys, everybody look here a second. Just make sure, use common sense. The numbers are increasing, right? Is my answer bigger than 1? Yeah. Let's still make sure you went the wrong way somehow.
And if you think you're just gonna write out the next however many terms, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, the next 20 terms, take I said the 25th term. Okay, you're not gonna get points unless you show the equation a sub n equals 7n minus 22.
You have to show this. All right, I'm gonna do one more before my compadre takes the wheel.
Real quick, Zach, did you leave a pencil case in here last week?
Me? No, I was on.
Someone left it here. It's got sequin lips on it.
I don't have a pencil case.
Brayden, I thought that was yours.
How about
You can
your glasses?
No, it's.
I got 2020.
The lost has been found.
Yay.
How about a pair of sunglasses?
Oh,
Gafas
those are
de
mine.
Sol.
Those are mine.
College of Business at the University of Nevada, Reno.
I'll take those. For my dad.
I would look for
My dad, God rest his soul. Did you guys ever see? You guys saw? What's the Gru with Gru?
What's
This big.
This little me?
You guys remember the mad scientist?
Yeah.
Yeah.
That my dad had. You know those sunglasses they give you when you go out of the eye doctors? That's what he wore around.
Like all the time.
Well, when he was out in the sun, it's like I got another pair you want. It's like no, Dad. He looked like the mad scientist on Gru.
Yeah.
All right. What's my common difference here? Say it again.
4.5.
No.
It's 5.5.
Nope.
But it's divided, so it can't be that.
Oh! So there's a difference between 4.5 and minus 4.5. Zach, I think you knew it. It's guys, you have to put that. It's not 4.5. It's negative 4.5. I'm going down. Going down, down, down. 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 I'm calling no school Thursday and Friday.
Really?
Me
That's
too.
I'm calling it.
Oh,
I
I
already
will.
called it yesterday.
I'll pray every hour.
Did you say frisky?
risky.
Oh.
What's going on?
All right,
Risky.
guys, what am I going to do? What's my formula? Come on, focus. 8. So what's my first term? 35 plus n minus 1. My common differences. And make sure you write it like that so you know you're not subtracting. Distribute that. Whoops.
Okay, so let's see.
Woo! I'm tired.
4.5 negative.
So, Makana, don't you look at me like that attitude. What's my final equation simplified?
N equals 39.5 minus 4.5.
Write it like that. Write the end term first.
If
Okay.
If
It's not wrong, but it's just math etiquette. No, it's how you should write it, just math etiquette wise. But no, it's still the same. You'll still get the same answer. Okay, what term we finding, guys? Still the 25th. So let's plug. So a sub 25 equals negative 4.5 times 25 plus 39.5. Let's see, my numbers are getting what? Bigger or smaller? Okay, so if my answer is bigger than 17, we got issues. What'd you get, Bales? That is correct. That is correct. Okay, now we're going to start some geometric. Here comes Darth Vader. I could do a good Elmer Fudd on that.
Oh no, we're gonna die now.
It's not on.
Math.
Gosh darn it.
You turn it on.
You turn it off.
Doesn't like you.
There you go.
Be very, very quiet. I'm Honey Rabbit.
What?
It's Elmer Fudd. Oh, you guys.
So they knew who Elmer Fudd is?
It's
Bugs Bunny.
Ah.
He haunted him.
my dad says all the
Bald guy.
Yeah.
Elmo Fudd.
He's like really short.
Number 9. Determine whether each sequence appears to be a geometric sequence. All right, geometric or not? What are we looking for geometric? A common ratio. Is there a multiple to get from 3/5 to 3? Say 5?
No.
Yeah.
That's not. Okay, back it. If it's gonna work for all the terms. I'll freeze what you're doing. Look up here. Times 5, yes?
Yeah.
Times 5. I think we're all good with those. Is 5 times 3/5? 3. Guys, look. What's 5?
Yes.
5 over 1. 5 over 1. What's 5 times 3?
15.
What's 1 times 5?
3.
What?
Oh.
I said 3. Sorry, 1 times 5. 5.
Five.
What's 15 divided by 5?
3.
Oh, look. 3/5 times 5 is 3.
Boom roasted.
Yes.
15 times 5 is
Yeah, it's
75.
Oh, you know what?
Oh.
This is.
75.
He made a mistake.
Yeah, I think that was supposed to be 75, isn't it?
Yeah, but
Yeah.
on your paper it's 45, so that's not geometric. He
Oh, my
wrote-
bad.
He wrote it wrong. I mean, Yeah, anyway, that's not, yeah.
If that were 75, it would be. Okay,
It's
sorry.
not geometric.
So times 5 times not times 5. Not on our version, not times 5. If it were 75, yes. So we're gonna say not geometric. So are we gonna find the common ratio in the next 3 terms? Are we gonna find the next 3 terms? No, because it's
No.
not
So we don't
geometric.
have to do it? I agree.
All right. I think Mr. Parker told you guys this yesterday, but do you guys know if it's going to be a geometric, you do, watch up here. You do the next term divided by the previous term, right, to figure out what the multiple was. So divide negative 1620 divided by 2160. And it's going to have to work for all the terms.
Do you want it in decimal or?
No, always a fraction. Always a fraction. Because it's a ratio. Did you get negative 0.75, which is negative 3/4? Yes? So to go from the first term to the second term, we have to multiply by negative 3/4. Do you agree?
Yep.
Let's check. Is it the same ratio from the second to the third? Well, I'm going to divide the third by the second. Did you get the same ratio? Yes, it is a common ratio of negative 3/4 times negative 3/4. All right, so our R value, I can see where it is a decimal in his.
I think so.
When I think ratio, I don't think decimal. I think like it's a 4 to 3 or 10 to 2, some kind of fraction. But I guess we're taking that. I guess that's just what we do in 2022. So you could put negative 3/4 or negative 0.75. I guess we're just kind of however you feel today.
It's how you feel. If it makes
Wow,
you feel.
I can't believe we come to this in math. All about feelings. I thought that's what I avoided by teaching math. Feelings.
Do you need a hug?
I do not. That's one thing, you know what, after pre-COVID, Marco, huggies,
Polo?
No, he doesn't hug anyone.
doesn't hug anymore. It's sad.
Marco Polo.
Mr. Marco.
Polo.
He doesn't find that funny.
I think it's pretty.
All right, so the next 3 terms.
Did I ever tell you, was it last year? He tried to give me a hug. I said, I don't want one.
He chased you,
around his-
didn't he?
In the front of the class. It was fun.
Marco.
It was fun.
All right, the next 3 terms, help me out.
Okay.
Samara, what'd you get?
It's negative 9, 1, 1, and 4.
Next one, Luca.
It's a weird one.
He's on the second floor right now.
Told my mom about the second floor jokes that she thought it was funny.
Thank you. Tell your
Good,
mom-
Luca. 683.44. Last term,
Give your mom a high five for me.
Zachary.
Negative 512.58.
How are we doing on those ones? You just keep using that ratio multiplied by the previous term.
Is there going to be like these decimals on the test? Is there going to be?
Oh, decimals are numbers too. So yes, they can be on the. We're not
We're not
exclusive here. Okay, we're inclusive of all number types. Okay. Can't believe she asked that. All right, write an equation for the nth term of the geometric sequence, and then find the 8th term. So we want a formula. We want to find the 8th term.
Strong, stay calm.
So we know it's geometric. What should be the first thing you write down when you see you want to write the equation of a geometric sequence? Zachary.
R equals.
Oh yeah, you could do your R. Yep.
You're going to need r. You're going to need the first term. And then we're going to write the a sub n equals, what's the general formula?
Oh, I got this. AN equals
Wait.
R times. A to 1.
Not to the 1, a sub 1 times
R.
to the,
N minus 1.
good.
Let's go.
Take time, memorize these, use flashcards.
Wait, what? I'm so confused.
Take time, memorize these, use flashcards.
Wait, this is
It's question 1 and 2 that we just did. Formulas.
So what is the common ratio from 3 to 6? Times 2 and then times
Cursive.
2. So what is the common ratio? 2. What's the first term? 3. What's our formula? A sub n equals, which is 3 times 2 to the n minus 1. All right. When it says write an equation for the nth term, you have to leave n in it. Let me say it again. It asks for the equation for the nth term. You with me?
I'm with you, brother.
But next, we want to find the 8th term. So a sub 8 equals 3 times 2 to the 8 minus 1. What do I do first? 2 to the 7th. Enter. Times 3. Enter. What'd you get? 384.
7 times 3 equals 384.
So both this blue and the red are answers for this problem. 2 parts. 2 parts. That's a big number, right? Should it be a big number?
Yeah.
Yeah, because every time you are multiplying by 2, multiplying by 2 grows pretty fast. Almost exponentially. Ooh.
I hate that.
Ooh.
Jumping out.
It was horrible.
What was horrible?
Crying.
Why are you crying?
Exponential.
There's no tears in math. Yeah, there probably are. All right. Ratio.
Tears on his paper right now.
First term. All right. Ratio. Is it going to be a whole number or a fraction? Proper fraction. I appreciate the offer, Zach. I want to make sure everybody else is tuned in.
Okay, wait, what's the question?
Evan, what did you get for the ratio on this one? Do you remember how to get the ratio?
No.
Okay. 1,000 to 250. Am I getting bigger or smaller? And I'm not subtracting. This is a ratio. It's a multiple. It's not a subtraction, right? So I divide 250 divided by 1,000. 250 divided by 1,000. And it's not 4. It's what, Evan? How do you think? Evan. Huh? Which is, as a fraction is? I would accept 0.25 or 1/4. A fourth. Okay. So times 0.25. Next. Is that also a fourth? Times a fourth. Let's check. 62.5 divided by 250. I get a fourth. Good. That's my common ratio. Evan, what's my first term? 1,000. Evan, we have fond memories of the previous problem, don't we? A sub n equals a sub 1 times r to the n minus 1. We're going to plug our numbers in. A sub n equals, what's a sub 1? 1,000. Times, what's my r? 0.25. That's a 5. A glitchy 5.
Whoa.
To the n minus 1. That's my formula. And I want to find the, I believe it's the 8th term again, don't I? 8th term again. So I'm going to plug in 8 for n. A sub 8 equals 1,000 times 0.25 to the 8 minus 1 to the 7. 0.25 to the 7 times 1,000. I'm getting 0.061.
Me too.
A sub 8 equals 0.061. You should be typing it in your calculator so you get 0.061. Did everyone get 0.061?
Yes. We've never finished one this week.
Continuing on. Write the first 6 terms. Are you guys okay with plugging in -3 as your first?
Yeah.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And we're going to do what each time? Take the first term and add 8, add 8, add 8, add 8, add 8. Almost like it's a arithmetic sequence. Next one. Arithmetic or geometric? Woogie, woogie, woogie. So we're going to take 7 times 2 times 2. You get the idea, right? Yeah. I know I'm going fast, but I want to make sure we get through it. Those aren't too bad, I don't think. Do you agree? Be honest with me. Do you understand this is saying take 2 times the previous term? Okay.
So we don't have to do.
Heh?
Never mind.
Heh? Last rule. Well,
What?
sorry, last problem is a rule. Is this arithmetic or geometric? And what's the rule? Add 3, add 3. So it's almost like we're taking the previous term and adding 3.
That's all we're doing.
That is your rule.
Can we do the next one?
Yes.
Stay,
What's the rule here? First of all, it's geometric. Woogie, woogie, woogie. Take the previous term. Now, remember Mr. Parker told Makana to put the factor, the number out front? I agree. So what is the common ratio? Logan?
-3.
Yeah, -3 times the previous number, right? -3 times the previous number. Logan?
Do we have to put in multiplications under that?
No, it's understood. I just like to put it there for your protection. All right, I would go over this review a couple times. Make sure you practice it. Memorize the formulas. Don't worry. Memorize the formulas. I did not. Yeah. After we're on, I forgot to see you. Yeah. Thank you.